So here is the wonderful Dougal. Hello, Dougal. So he's been to us before and he had a full line clip the last time he was here. And he's come today and we've had another assessment of his coat. And he's not the best at being groomed. Mum's trying her best to keep on top of him. And he's just got one of the, he's very, very thick, dense coat, full of like, looks just like cotton wool. And I've put the comb through and literally the comb won't go through it without snagging straight away. Now he is 15 years old, is our Dougal, and Mum says he's a little bit arthritic around the back end. So rather than him having to tolerate us trying to groom this out, because you can see there, if Steve just zooms in, we're just getting from the root, that's as far as I'm getting with the comb. So all this was dead hair that's stuck in the skin, stuck in the coat, and that would need bringing out. Now rather than making him sit through while we do all this, being very aware of his arthritis, we've said the best thing now is to actually clip him again, and then he will be fully grown back for the winter. So it gives Mum chance and it gives him a bit of reprieve from this coat if we can do a full line clip. So that's exactly what we're going to do, Dougal, isn't it? Because you were such a good boy the last time. And he's going to have his full clip. Now we did leave him with quite a mane on. Mum's actually asked, can we take the mane shorter again this time, because of when they're eating and drinking and washing, this gets in the way. So we're going to take them up shorter. Ooh, I didn't get my clippers going. But you see, he was so good for us last time. It's just much easier for him if we just do the same. Good boy, Dougal. And we've got Florence sitting in the basket waiting for her turn. Dougal and Florence. That takes me back a bit. Magic Roundabout. Children's TV. So Mum's asked if we could take the clippers just slightly up so that we're not going as short. So I've just gone up one more on the clippers than I normally do, just to keep some weight. There's always a couple of mil on them anyway, but I can't leave it too long because I have to get under the mats. Now the mats, because the back end here are quite, they're not tight to the skin, but they're not far off. I've had to go to a certain length to get underneath them, because otherwise I'll be trying to clip over them. There's no point me clipping over the top of them and leaving them there, because obviously they'll just stay there. So I've got to get under them, so he has to be the length he is for me to get these away. So he is having a little growl. Little wag of the tail, Dougal. But this is much easier for him than the combing. See how he's growling around the back end? Dougal. Good boy, Dougal. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Good boy. He says, I'm off. I'm off. I've had enough. I've had enough, he says. Good boy. Oh, you're gorgeous, aren't you, eh? What a gorgeous boy. Can we do that bit while you're sitting up there right nicely? Hey. Can we? As soon as we start, he wants to lie down. Okay, babes. Have another go at rolling over. Hey. Shall we? Ready? And over we go. Okay. Wait a minute, babes. Shall we go that way? That your natural way. Okay, baby. Let's go that way. Good boy. Good boy, Dougal. That's better. There we go. Let's get this tummy clipped. All this curly tummy hair removed. We could knit a big Persian rug with all this fur, couldn't we?
Sorry.
I'm just hitting a couple of little mats there. Good boy. Good lad. Let's have a lifty up of that leggy. Oh, that was a big growl. All right, Baba. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right, Dougal. Good boy. Where are you manoeuvring to? Hey? Okay, good boy. Good boy. Now, unfortunately, we've got to get underneath the game, haven't we? Let's do what we can for a minute, and then we'll do rollies again. Right. Oh. Typical Persian. Very mucky eyes. You don't mind that so much, do you? So this is just a cotton wool pad. A little bit of warm water on it. And we're just, no fingernails. The pad gets the muck away. There you go. And don't cross-contaminate. One pad, one eye. Isn't it, Dougs? Hey, good boy. You really are a good boy there. Good boy. Okay, now for this one. And here, good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. So down the nose, in that crease. Yeah, you have a little drink. It's got a little bit stuck there, so I'm just softening that up by wetting it. Good boy. Let me just get in there. Let me just get in there, Pips. Good boy. You don't want to be going in with your nails because you have so much germs underneath your own nails, especially when you're messing with a pussycat's eyes. So just persevere, letting it get damp, letting it soften up if it doesn't want to come away, and then go again with the cloth. There you go, good boy. Good boy. And that is Dougal all done. So what we've done is had the full line clip. Doesn't he look handsome with it? He suits it, he does. And we've took his head short, a lot shorter than what I normally do, because Mum wanted the bib short, so I can't leave him long on the back and short at the front. So we've took his head short all round. I've put a comb over him, so I've thinned him down because he's so thick, his coat. It was sort of sticking right up here. So I've literally had to put the thinning clippers over the top of him, the comb, just to take that down a little bit. And he's all done. You're handsome now, aren't you, eh? Better strut your new look, won't you, mister?